guys, and how is everybody doing? Boy, it looks like I'm not in Angeles City for once. All right, where are we at, guys? We are in a place called Palacol. Palacol. It's just right outside Floridablanca, 30 minutes outside Angeles City. We are here for the day with the girls. Check this out. The place, well, I don't know. Guys, we got the whole place to ourselves for real. Check this out. This is where we're at today. That right there is the SC-Tex. Boom. To the left to take you down to Subic Bay. To the right takes you into Angeles City. But here's where we're at. I've seen this place many a times on the internet. And I said, come on, let's go. Let's come up here, spend the day. Usually this place is packed. Packed. Come the weekend, it'll be packed. Hannah Grace is out of school. Bing Bing has modular this whole week. So we said we're going to come down here, hang out, swim, picnic, just have a good time. But isn't this neat? Like I said, 30 minutes to get here from where we live. What did they get? 20 pesos each for an environmental fee. And I think it was another 400 he told me for parking, 500 pesos to hang out for the day. We just got here. The fish is in the water, Sam's in the water. I'll tell you what though, you gotta watch walking on these rocks here because they are slick. I got my aqua shoes on and still very slick. Having fun, Pim? Having fun? Having fun? All right, let me go show you where we're where our little place is. Oh, it was 20 pesos each environmental fee, and then to rent the cottage, it wasn't parking. Parking and a rental of a cottage here was another 400, so 500 pesos total. So yeah, let me show you where we're camped out. All right, so here's all your little cottages. They go all up and down the river here, both sides. Wow, there is somebody up there. There's a group up there, so we're not alone. They go all down the riverside here. Like I said, you got to rent these. I guess this is the ice cream guy, but here's where we're at. Here's where our little cottages in the shade. The cool train is with us.
No, that's Ivana Alawi.
Ivana Alawi. Yeah. Who is that?
That's one of the celebrity over in the Philippines.
Wow, we have a famous celebrity with us.
Influencer.
Influencer.
I am the sister.
But you bring your own food, guys. Lutz spent this morning cooking, and last night. Bring your own water jug. We brought our own water jug. We have our own cooler with ice in it to keep the water cool. Bring your own food. You can cook out on the grill here. We brought a grill. Recommend bringing a grill if you're going to cook out. So we got our grill going. So this is going to be a good time. Let me show you. Shoot around here. I'll show you. Also, the cottages are just scattered throughout the rocks here and the stones. Guys, you know how in America when you go on a picnic, you bring the old charcoals along with you to start a fire. Well, nowadays, you know, you got these little grills you can take along with gas, but you know, take the charcoal and you take the charcoal fluid. Not here in the Philippines, baby. We do it Neanderthal. Neanderthal. How many Filipinos does it take to start a charcoal grill? Hey, they'll get it going. If need be, you guys can rub two sticks together, right? Oh. You rub two sticks together, get this fire going.
Oh, ayan na.
Hopefully they'll get it done by dinner. Hey, we got fire. See, look, I told you you could go on naked and afraid.
I know, right?
You could get a fire going.
I know.
Yeah.
Right?
We got fire. That's a lot of charcoal. That's going to be a blazing grill. And, well, where'd she go? Where'd you go, Sam? Sam, where'd you go? What happened? I thought you were TikToking.
I'm done.
You're done
I'm
TikToking
done,
for
yeah.
now? Oh, all right. Wouldn't be a picnic without TikToking, right, Sam? Grill update. We got the liempo going now.
Yes.
They look like some big steaks. Marinated, grilled liempo. She marinated it overnight in the bag. They're going to be good. Hi, Penny.
I think so.
There she is. The grill master. Grill master doing her thing. All right, well, they get the fire going to get the grill going to eat, because I was the only one that ate this morning. It's going to take a little walk down through here. It's all sandy through here. Like I said, you do have rocks, so you do have to negotiate rocks. Going down in, it was a little steep coming down in. But isn't this neat? It said 30 minutes outside Angley City. You don't know these places exist until you either see a video about it, you have a friend go there. Matter of fact, I knew it was here last year. I think last year at this time. Mars. He's a vlogger, Filipino vlogger in Angley City there. He was here. Because this morning I was just going through videos and just checking out videos. But here's a little bridge you have made to get from one side to the other with sandbags here. You got to be really careful because it is slimy. The stones are slimy. This is their makeshift bridge. Makeshift crossover there. But look at this. Got a couple kids down here swimming. I see a few people, not many. All right, cool, the feast is ready. You guys ready for this big feast we're having? Here we go. We'll start down here near Sam. Of course, pot of rice. Always got to have rice. Fish. What kind of fish is that, Sam?
Tulingan.
Durian.
Tulingan.
Tulilang. Yeah.
That's kinilaw.
This is kinilaw.
Yeah.
Pancit canton.
No, that's just pansit.
Oh,
This
just
pancit.
pancit.
Sa pansit.
Some kind of banana. Some kind of dipping sauce. We've got squid.
Soy sauce.
Ay, may manok pa pala.
We've got chicken feet.
And this
We've
one.
got
Fried
chicken, fried chicken. We got
liempo.
liempo. And guys, you know what? It would not be an American picnic without these two items. Actually, three items. But hook me up. You guys ready for this? Here we go. We got 2 hot dogs, a hamburger, and potato salad.
No, egg sandwich.
Or egg salad. Egg salad. These are the 2 best things going here, right?
Yeah.
Right?
That's you.
That's the best, right? Right? Yeah, the best? No? No?
That's for you. That's not for us.
Oh. Alright. We're going to dig into this feast. Guys, it is just peaceful here. Just relaxing. Listening to the water run down through the riverbed here. No screaming, no yelling. No roosters crowing. All right, I'm going. The water's actually warm. I was surprised. I figured it'd be like bitter cold. And there's like little pockets here and there where you can step in. It's a little deeper. Got a couple little what do you call it? Little ripples going on. But boy, this is nice. Woo! I feel good. You catch them fish? You spearfish them, huh? Use your spear gun? Is that how you got them?
Oh yeah.
What kind of fish?
Oh yeah, bay na.
Huh? Piranha? Ah, that ain't piranha. What kind of fish? You know?
Blig.
Blig.
Oh, blig.
Did you catch it too? Cool. You guys are fishermen, huh? All right. Just navigated my way through here. It was a little tough. That water coming down through there will push you. There's a bunch of big rocks through there. So I had to work my way along the edge here and come down through here. That's, like I said, ain't as young as I used to be, right? But look at this one here. You can feel the water's pushing you. That looks pretty cool. Watch, I'll get swept away. That's pretty cool right there. That water right there gushing down in there. But I tell you what, it is
feel a little
strong.
rain
coming on. A little rain coming on. Tell you what, there's appears to be more people up in this area than down there. And typical Filipino hospitality. Eat, 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 everybody. Eat, eat, eat. Like, busog, busog. Here I am, right underneath the bridge. Like I said, that is Esitex. That'll take you down to Subic. That'll take you to Angeles City. Well, you can see there seems to be more people hanging out down around here. Everybody's just chilling, eating, hanging out in the water, looking at the foreigner walking around, vlogging. Yeah, kids in the water. It's like a little slide right there, little water slide. But yeah, as you go back through here, all back in there, there's all huts on that side of the river and a few on that side of the river. I'm gonna walk the road back to our little hut so I can show you here the road and what's on the road. It looks like they have vendors and stuff. That's a nice rain. This is beautiful. You can't ask for a better time, right? Rain, don't matter. It's like a big old black cloud above us, but it looks clear. But yeah, they got vendors down through here. Oh, there is. It's like a CR up there. I think it's as far as you could come. The road does go down further, but it's a dirt road. But yeah, they got little store here for if you want ice and soda and snacks and tubig and the river's picking up a little bit of speed. A little bit of speed. There are the girls out there. I can't see the bottom now. Now I really got to watch. Oh, look out. Big rock.
Time to go.
Almost
it's raining.
Time to go. It's raining. No.
This is fun.
Whew.
This is really fun when you got the rain and you have the weather.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the water pouring off the bridge. That's pretty cool. You know, that's dirty. So that'd be cool to go underneath that, but you know it's dirty. The water's just pouring off of there.
Yeah, and it's falling to the river. So we're just going to take a bath to the dirt of the other.
Where's the soap? We need a Lego.
Oh!
Whew.
Doon ka sa Daiban na Alawi.
What? You got something in your nose.
Ano?
Yeah. Alright. How's it going, Pinster? How's it going, Sam? You ready to go? No? Alright.
Paano lang ba ito ba na Alawi?
Banalawi?
Grabe!
What's Banalawi?
Pinanindigan niya na talaga.
There goes Zelda. The river's taking her away.
Hey guys.
Sabi mo iba na.
And Elda. Hey guys.
Hey guys! Walang barya si Papa mo. Papa mo into the hub.
What did you get, Lut?
Balut!
Who's eating balut?
Ayan o. Ah, nakangiti.
Sam! Sam, you're eating balut? Alright, go ahead, Sam.
Ew.
Yeah.
Ooh. Delicious eh.
Let's see. Show the egg.
Kinakain mo yung ano?
Yeah.
Yung manok?
You
Oh
like
yeah,
the juice?
she'll eat them all.
She'll eat the egg and everything.
Yeah. Look how she does.
Sayang wala siya nung nag-challenge tayo ng balot.
Panalo sana.
1
She'd beat anybody in an egg balut challenge. That's
Oh
for
yeah.
sure.
Hi, Balut!
Mmm. Still warm. Water's still warm. Even after the rain. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. That's my way through here. Huh? Current. Ain't that? A little bit. Strong? Current strong? Come here. Oh, right here. Yeah, because it hits this rock. And then it splits.
That's not, it's not like this.
It's because the water's up. Look at him. Look at him, Saul. Come, Sam. Swim like a duck. You ate that balloon? Swim like a duck, Sam. right, guys, I'm just gonna wrap this one up. It's been a beautiful day. Sun is not cranking today. Shade, but it's warm out. So what an amazing day. More people have arrived. Seems like around 1 o'clock or so, more people started coming in, but you know what? Let me show you. Like I said, more people have started to come in around 1 o'clock. It's right around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, something like that. People are just hanging out. It's like everybody has their own little spot in the river, and that's where they sit, chill out, and talk and laugh and have fun. Even up through here, there's more people. Wow, what a fun time. You know, you get out of the city, 30 minutes outside the city, and you find something beautiful like this. Like I said, 30 minutes and you're here. What a fun time. I know I said that, and I'll say it again. I'll definitely be back. You know, I've been here going, what, 8 years now, and I've yet to come here. First time here. Like I said, I heard about it, and figured let's come down, let's have fun, let's check it out. So there it is, guys. Another fun adventure. Stay tuned, because Lut and I, in about 2 weeks, we're going to go on a nice little road trip for a couple days, get out of Angeles City, and explore some other areas. So, all right, guys, once again, thanks for subscribing, thanks for checking out my videos, thanks for hanging out with me and enjoying our adventures. We got a bunch of kids coming up. Get some shout out.